Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Grepro jump starter. Before you begin, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always take a moment to read your jump starter's manual thoroughly. Confirm your vehicle uses a 12-volt battery system, as this device is designed for that. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Also, quickly check your jump starter and its cables for any visible damage before proceeding. Now, let's connect the jump starter to your vehicle. First, ensure your car is completely off, along with all accessories like lights or radio. Take the red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your car battery, which is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from moving parts. Do not connect the black clamp directly to the negative battery terminal. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to start your engine. Turn on your Grepro jump starter and look for the indicator lights to confirm it's ready. Now, try to start your vehicle, but only for a brief period, no more than 3 seconds. If the engine doesn't turn over, wait for at least 30 seconds before attempting another start. It's important not to try more than 3 consecutive jump starts to prevent overheating. Congratulations, your engine should now be running. The next step is crucial: disconnecting the jump starter safely. First, remove the black clamp from the engine block. Then, carefully disconnect the red clamp from the positive battery terminal. Once disconnected, remember to fully recharge your Grepro jump starter after every use to ensure it's ready for next time. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, for optimal longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.